Hello. Now, I am trying to push my local repository to the remote repository. Currently I am in the root folder of my local repository. Git commands will be executed from now on should be executed in this root folder. This is the image of Git operations I will do from now on. At first, let's check the current setting of configuration by this command. These username and email are used during the commit. To make it easy to realize who commit in GitHub, these parts should be set accordingly. Currently these values are not suitable for me, so I will change it. At first, I will change the username by this command. Let's check whether it is really changed by this command. It is set as I specified in the command, so it is OK. Next, let's change the email address by this command. And, check the value of email address. It is OK. Now, these values are set accordingly. Git status command shows the current status of working tree. In this case, several files and folders are not tracked, so it is encouraged to execute git add command. At this time, let's check the commit history by the command git log. Only one commit is done so far. Then, let's add untracked files by the command git add dot. Dot means that all files under the current directory that were changed. Now, files are added, so let's check the status again. File status has been changed like this. Now it is encouraged to commit these files. Then, let's commit files. You can add the comment by -m option. Let's check the status again. Now, the working tree is clean, and nothing to commit. Then, let's check the log. New commit that was commented first commit can be found now. Git remote command shows the remote repository. Confirm that the remote repository name is origin. -v option shows URLs for reading and writing. Now, push the local repository to the remote repository, in order to reflect local changes on the remote repository. This command means that it reflects the local branch named master on the same name branch in the remote repository named origin. Output of these commands are like these in the current situation. Currently there is no difference between the working tree and staging area, index, by checking the command git diff. Let's check how does it look like by the command git diff, when the source code is changed. I am changing this part from send to the server to send. Now I've changed the source code and save it. Let's execute git diff again in this situation. The difference looks like this by git diff. And this is the status of the current situation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check my other videos and subscribe this channel, if you like.